Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Install Zone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install and set up Rakuten Viki on your Fire Stick in just a few simple steps. I'll also walk you through creating a free Viki account and show you how to enjoy endless Asian content. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Viki. Rakuten Viki is a streaming platform that brings you the best in Korean, Chinese, Japanese, and other Asian content. It's perfect for fans of dramas, movies, and global shows, with over 200 subtitle options to enjoy in your preferred language. Plus, the app works seamlessly on Fire Stick devices, including the Fire TV Cube, Fire Stick 4K Max, and more. The best part? Viki is completely free to use. But if you want access to premium features like no ads, HD streaming, and exclusive content, you can upgrade to the Viki Pass for just $4.99 per month. It's affordable and worth every penny. Before you install the app on your Fire Stick, you'll need a Viki account. Here's how you can create one for free. Open your browser and go to www.viki.com. Click Create Account and choose an option like Continue with Email. Fill in your details, name, email, and date of birth, and create a password. Verify your email and you're all set. Now let's install Viki on your Fire Stick. Follow these steps. Go to the home screen and click Find. Type Viki in the search bar and select it from the suggestions. Click on Rakuten Viki and hit Get. Once it's downloaded, click Open and you're ready to explore. Once installed, you can log into your Viki account and start streaming your favorite Asian dramas and movies. Whether you're a fan of K-dramas or Japanese anime, Viki has you covered. And that's it. You now know how to install and set up Rakuten Viki on your Fire Stick. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more Fire Stick tutorials and streaming tips. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.